Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter. In this video, we will use the Squeeze Theorem to evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared sine of 1 over x. To begin, we note that -1 less than or equal to sine of 1 over x less than or equal to 1, multiplying through by x squared then gives minus x squared less than or equal to x squared sine of 1 over x less than or equal to x squared. We now compute the limit as x approaches 0 of -x squared equals minus the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared equals -1 times the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared equals -0 squared equals -0 equals 0, and the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared equals the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared equals 0 squared equals 0. Hence, by the Squeeze theorem, we have a final answer of the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared sine of 1 over x equals 0. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.